Tips on how to deal with the stock market. Investing in the stock market is a traditional and proven way to manifest wealth over a long time frame. However, the market has always been volatile and complex, which leads to losses more often than it does gains. This means that educating yourself is important, so you can apply the techniques that lead to successes. Watch this video for tricks and tips to help you improve your performance. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. If a return is being guaranteed, there's a good chance that fraud is involved. There is no way to take part in investing without some risk, and any broker that tells you otherwise is lying. This is not a person that you want to place your money with. Investing in the stock market does not require a degree in business or finance, outstanding intelligence, or even familiarity with investments. Being patient and sticking to a plan, making sure to remain flexible and conducting research, will serve you well when playing the stock market. Going against the grain often pays off. Diversify your investments. It is not a wise decision to have all your money tied up into one specific investment. For instance, if you invest all you have in one single share and it does not do well, you are going to lose all of your money that you worked hard for. Know the risks of different types of investments. Stocks are generally riskier than bonds. For instance, riskier investments, generally, have higher payoff potentials, while less risky vehicles tend to provide lower, more consistent returns. Understanding the differences between different vehicles can allow you to make the best decisions about what to do with your money, in both the short and long terms. As mentioned at the beginning of this piece, stock market investing can mean both great reward and significant intimidation. Keep this video in mind as you start or continue to invest. Applying what you have learned will help you to make more money in the stock market. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.